Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 33, Quadratic Equations, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than the twice of its numerator. If the sum of the fractions and a reciprocal is 2, 16 upon 21, find the fraction. The options given are 3 by 7, 7 by 3, 4 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. Now here our first instinct is to let the numerator be x, denominator be something 1 more than twice the numerator, means 2x plus 1, we'll write it. But don't go for x. There is a simpler way. Check the options 3 by 7, 7 by 3, 4 by 3 and 3 by 4. So it's very simple. 1 more than twice the numerator. 3 is the numerator. Twice the numerator is 6 and 1 more than 7. Then 6 is 7. That is 3 by 7. So that's it. Don't go for x, nothing. Don't solve anything. Immediately you'll get the answer. 3 by 7 is the answer. You need not even check the second condition. If the sum of the fraction and reciprocal is this, you need not do it. Even once you get the answer, for your confirmation you can try it. Fraction and the reciprocal. Do the reciprocal and add them, you will get the same answer. But in exam, be fast. Okay. Next is state true or false. Now there are 3 to 4 sub questions to this. If x equals to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon blah blah blah, it goes on continuing. So we have to check whether x is equals to 0 or not. Okay. Now x equals to 2 plus, say this whole term can be written as x again. So x equals to 2 plus 1 upon x. So solve this. 2x plus 1 upon x, then x square equals to 2x plus 1. Therefore x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.